Hi everyone, my name is Giselle Garcia. I'm a junior at Drexel University and I'm currently interning for Party Host Helpers. We love to show our clients party tips, recipes, cocktails, and more. So I am super excited to show you how to make these cookie cups. They're super easy to make and it's a really great idea for the upcoming holidays. All you really need is a package of refrigerated cookie dough such as Pillsbury. You need 3/4 a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You need 2 teaspoons of butter. You need 1/3 cup of Bailey's Irish cream and 1/3 cup of milk. It also helps to have Pam with you just to make sure that the cookie cups slide right out of the tin. So you start off by putting a little ball of cookie dough in the tin and just gently forming it to make the cookie cup shape. After cooking them baking it for about 14 to 16 minutes, you take them out and let them sit for about 5 minutes before greasing the bottom of the shot glass and just gently pushing down to form the well in the center of the cookie cup. After that, you let that cool for a little bit and then you melt the chocolate chips with the butter in the microwave in increments of about 25 seconds. So once that's done, you coat the inside of the cookie cup, such as you can see right here, and you let that refrigerate for about 20 minutes to really let the chocolate harden. After that, for the fun part, it's mixing equal parts of the Bailey's and the milk, or you could just do milk, and then you just pour it into each cookie cup, and you have a little shot glass that is edible. Again, super fun to make, and it's perfect for the upcoming holidays. So our favorite party tip is to hire a party host helper so that you can relax during your gatherings. Enjoy!